G'day, this is Jason here from Forex Pip 2.0. I just wanted to go over a few trades from yesterday, Monday, and today, Tuesday, to show you that, yes, indeed, if you follow the rules trading PipSnager 2.0, it will make you some pips, definitely. So anyway, we're looking at my four favorite pairs here: pound yen, pound dollar, US dollar yen, and gold US dollar. I obviously think there's nothing to do with the US dollar with the gold, but who am I to say, right? Just like they have let me explain that to you. Just like they have the NASDAQ, okay, tagged with the US dollar. Okay, they have the S&P 500 tagged with the US dollar, and a few other CFDs. I'm talking about CFDs, ladies and gentlemen. I just don't believe they're real, because I have futures charts of the NASDAQ, and it moves exactly like the NASDAQ. So, futures contract. So what the hell does the US dollar have to do with it? If the US dollar is doing something else, it's not going to change the price pattern of the NASDAQ or the NASDAQ CFD. So this is why I think it's a bunch of hoopla. Okay? Anyway, let's carry on here. Okay, so anyway, here's the pound yen. Okay? As you guys know, just like in PipSnager, we wait for the breakout. Okay? Right there. Well, it doesn't draw such a perfect straight line, but what do you want? Hey, it's MetaTrader. Right there, let's say. Okay? Here's the resistance right here. We did a nice bullish candle, broke right through it, closed above it. That's what we want. Even if it comes right, even if the next candle comes right back down again, it doesn't mean that it's not valid. It's valid because they pushed through the resistance, and then pulled back, and that's our entry. And that's all we want, is we wanted to prove to us, listen, they didn't push it through there for the half of it. I almost said for the, I'm almost swearing here. Sorry about that. They pushed it through there for a reason, okay? Because they're going to probably take it higher. And look at how much higher they've taken it right from this high, all the way to the top over here. It's 300 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is the pound yen. It's moving pretty good these days. So anyway, we got in the trade. Boom. I took 72 pips on it. And then, again, okay, right here. There's our resistance again. Here's the time to trade, right? It's like 9:30. Here's 9:45, quarter to 3 in the morning. Okay, close enough. Is when the good times to trade, to enter trades are in the U.S. session and the U.K. session, because there's going to be movement and volume in those sessions. That's why you look for a breakout in those sessions, and not in between over here in the Asia session when it isn't doing jack diddly. So anyway, it broke out. We didn't have much of a retracement. Jumped in, and I took 112 pips on that one. Okay, so there's like what? How much was there? 70. There's 70 here and 111 here. There's 180 pips. Let's move on to the pound now. Okay, pound was a little difficult. I wasn't up to trade the UK session here, but I did take this trade on the US session, which is right here. Stop would have been up here, 30 pips. Went against me, 6 pips. And, kept doing this hoopla hoopla, ain't going nowhere, so I just got tired of it and got it out. Got out with 26 pips. Okay, that was yesterday. Today, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we wait for the breakout of the resistance. Okay, right here. Broke out, nice golfing candle, boom, I bought it. Up she goes, 78 pips, just like that. Let's look at the yen now, okay? Yen was in a bullish trend. Same thing, okay? We wait for it to break through here, okay? Which it did. It broke through it, went above it, closed above it. Didn't close above it much, couple pips, 5 pips or so, but it still proved, listen, we're going to take this higher, and they did. So we got in long here. And this one, I just said, you know, that yen loves to trend. I'm just going to hold on to it and see. And, you know, if the trigger line crosses below the trend line and I get a gap saying sell, I'll get out. But you know what? I said, I'm going to hold on if the trigger line stays in and above the trend line. And it did. So today, at 126 pips, I said, let's just take her. So I held on to this trade, and it paid off. Got 126 pips there. So you got 180 on the other two pairs, 126 here. How much do we got now? We got like 315 pips, I believe. Let's take a look at the gold now quickly, and I'll show you what I did there. So you can see it was in a downtrend. Okay, all the way from over here. This is 15-minute charts, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, you can see right from here, if you draw a trend line, right? Boom, right from there. Okay, it told us we're going down. So I could see it was in a downtrend. We took out this low here. So right here is actually went below there, went below the support right here. Okay, you draw a line. This is what you do. Okay, same thing is going above. Here's a prime example. Came down, broke through. See with this wick candle here, broke through the support. That's what you want to see. You want to see it broke through the support. You'll really like to see it close below the support or above the resistance. But in this particular case, it didn't do it. But it still looked like it was going to go lower because it was in a trend, a downtrend. So I took the trade right there. Okay, my stop would have been there, 42 pips. Went against me 10 pips. Did a little stalling here. I just decided to take it here. I took 53 pips. This is on gold. Okay, today I was thinking, oh, maybe we'll get a turnaround and we'll go up, right? Now it didn't go up, didn't really go down, just went sideways. So I had a small loss of 42 pips. So how many did I make? Oh, I made 50 here. So I made 10 pips on that. So we got 315 plus 10 is 325 pips. We took 325 pips this week on just the 2 days of this week. So anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I encourage you, if you did not pick up your copy yet, I encourage you to do so. Because like I told you, very soon, once we get it all arranged, the price will be doubling, okay? And I'm proving to you the system works. I'm showing you the trades, okay? I'm only showing you on one chart. There's other charts with many other trades that you can trade with, you know, and make pips. So anyway, if you want to get your copy for half price, I urge you to do it today, okay? Thanks for watching, and once again, this is Jason Sweezy from 4XPipSnager 2.0. Go snag those pips, people!